Yang style, okay? So before we were doing the shaking gong, let's do that again. Just to kind of get the knees, the ankles, the elbows, the wrists, the shoulders, the hips, all those joints, get a little movement into the body before we do the Yang 12 postures out of the 108 long form. Bring it sky high, and then turn side to side. Flap the hands down, flap the hands up. And let's just go ahead and get arms swinging a little bit. Again, you can go a little bit slower here on this. Very good. Now let's do arms out to the side and cross them. Again, it's a little brain work when we do this one, okay? I know some folks have a challenge with this particular one, and it's okay. And then make it smaller and smaller. And then we'll do opposite arms here. So that's where you can notice maybe you have a greater range of motion as opposed to doing both arms at the same time. Again, we're kind of warming up those joints to do the next part of our practice. And then spin the wrists. Get a little air here across our chests. And reverse. And let's bring the feet a little wide. We're pointing the toes towards the corners of the room. It's kind of a miniature horse stance. We have the arms out. We're going to do blood pressure technique. So arms out to the side, bend the knees, and then inhale up. Bring down the hands to the heart, bend the knees. And then fists. Grab those thumbs, fists, inhale, stand up. And exhale out to the side. Inhaling up, up, up. Bring down the back of the hands, exhale, bend the knees, grab those thumbs, elbows back, chest forward, breathe in. Exhale out to the side. Inhaling up. Bring the back of the hands down, bend those knees. Here we go, grab those thumbs. Here we go, fists to your armpits, chest forward. Breathing in, exhale out. One more time, inhaling up, 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 up. Hands come down the heart center. Very good. Grab those thumbs. Here we go. Fists to the armpits, elbows back. Breathe in. Exhale, arms out to the side. Inhaling up, and let's do the finishing breath. Bring the hands down the heart center. Very good. Now I'm going to turn my feet in. So let's do the bow. So right fist, left palm, and bow down to one another. My feet are kind of wide on this one. It feels weird. And bring it in. So I'm going to be turning around. Y'all can follow me. My right will be your right. And let me see here. Do I need to move that camera just a little bit? No, I think it's okay. All right. So I'm going to be a little bit more close to the wall here. Very good. So to begin with, I have my feet out at angles. This is called eagle stance or beginning stance. And I invite you to feel your feet into the floor. So what that means is, where are you putting most of the weight? Is it in the heel? Is it in the front of the foot? Is it in the entire foot? So try to do the entire foot if you can. And from here, let's bend the knees lower. And the inhale, raise it up. And then exhale, lower. Let's do that one more time. Inhaling, rise. And then exhale, lower, shift your weight into the left side. Take that right foot out, heel ball toe, shift your weight, turn your left foot, shift your weight, turn your right foot, come back to the center. Knees are bent. We'll do center and sink. So inhale up to the hips, draw it back, exhale, lower. Up to the shoulders, upward, downward. Bring it up, breathe in. Draw it out and down. Shift that weight over into that left side. Turn that right foot up, right hand on top, left hand underneath to form that Tai Chi ball. Shift your weight to that right foot. Now we're going to take that left foot, bring it forward, heel ball toe. Shift your weight from your right leg to the left leg. Turn the Tai Chi ball. Square up your hips. Shift your weight to the right side. Lift that left foot. Make it parallel to the right foot. Then shift your weight to the left side. From here, take that right foot, you're going to turn it out a little bit, step it forward, heel ball toe. Now shift your weight from the left side to the right side. Split the ball, ward off, hand in front of your chest, hand by your hip. Very good. Shift your weight to the left leg. Roll that hand back and press into the palm. Very good. Fingers up, inhaling, back to your chest. Exhale, push away. From here, as you inhale, lift that right foot, go on the heel. Start turning your body to the left side, making a circle with the hands. And that foot is pointing straight forward, that right foot. Shift your weight to the right foot. Keep doing that circle. Hands about hip level. Take the left foot, toe ball heel, and come back to the center and down. Let's do inward, outward. Hands underneath, forming the Tai Chi ball. Inhale, up, 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 up to eye level. Exhale, float it down, bend the knee, shift your weight over to that right side, turn that left foot out, step it in. Again, inhale, raise it up. Exhale, lower. Let's do that inhale breath again, inhaling up. And then exhale, lower, shifting your weight to the right side, step that left foot out, heel ball toe, shift the weight, turn the right foot, shift your weight. Turn the left foot, come back to the center. Next is center and sink. Inhaling up to hip level. Exhale, lower. Let's do up to upward, downward, up to the shoulders. Exhale, lower. Shift your weight into the right side. Turn that left foot, left hand on top, right hand underneath. Form that Tai Chi ball. Shift your weight to that left side. Take that right foot, step it forward, heel ball toe. Shift your weight. Turn the Tai Chi ball to the right side. From here, shift your weight to the left side and then turn that right foot parallel to the left. Then shift your weight to the right side. Next is ward off. But we're going to do the bow and arrow first. So we're going to turn the foot out to the side, step it forward, heel ball toe, and then shift your weight, split the ball. Hand in front of your elbow, chest, and then roll it back. And exhale, press. Inhale back to your chest. And then exhale forward. From here, as we bring it back, lift your left foot and start pivoting on your heel, squaring up with that right side, making a circle with the hands. Bring the hands up to about shoulder level. Take the weight into that left side. Toe ball, heel back. Come back in center and down. Let's do inward, outward. Inward, up, up, up. And then outward. Shift your weight over to the left side, turn that right foot out, step it in, and let's do finishing breath. Inhale, circle, sweep arms up, and bring down the energy from the heavens back down to the Dantian. From here, make a right fist, that's the sun, the flat left palm, that's the moon, and bow down to one another to end this short little segment that we practiced today.